Have you ever hoped for a simpler method to keep your home immaculately clean without wearing yourself out or feeling swamped? If so, you're in good company. Numerous seniors encounter these same obstacles, and today I'm here to provide straightforward, pragmatic cleaning strategies tailored specifically for you. This way, you can complete your tasks more swiftly and with minimal effort. Let's explore 10 revolutionary cleaning hacks that will significantly simplify your daily tasks. 1. Rinse dishes immediately after use. Rinsing your dishes immediately after eating can drastically reduce the time and effort it takes to clean them later. When you let food sit on plates and silverware, it can harden and become difficult to remove, making washing them a much bigger chore. Take, for instance, Margaret, an 80-year-old widow who lives on her own. She always rinses her dishes right after meals. Margaret fills a small basin with warm soapy water and soaks the dishes while she enjoys her tea. This makes it so much easier when she goes to wash them later. She says it's a simple habit that cuts her dishwashing time in half and helps her keep her kitchen tidy without feeling overwhelmed. One of our subscribers, Miss Clara, has a different approach. She keeps a stack of old dish towels by the sink, and after each meal, she wipes the plates with the towels before putting them in the dishwasher. This way, the food doesn't have time to harden or stick, and washing is so much easier. 2. Keep cleaning products in small bottles. Large cleaning product containers can be hard to handle, especially for those with limited hand strength or arthritis. Instead of using bulky bottles, transfer your cleaning supplies into smaller, more manageable spray bottles. John, a 72-year-old retiree, noticed that handling large bottles of cleaning solutions was uncomfortable for him, so he decided to transfer his cleaning products into smaller spray bottles that fit comfortably in his hand. He uses these for his everyday cleaning tasks like wiping down kitchen counters or dusting. Not only does it make cleaning more manageable, but it also saves him time as the small bottles are easier to move around. John says he no longer has to worry about gripping heavy bottles and can get his cleaning done without strain. Mrs. Jane loves to use a mixture of water and vinegar as a natural cleaner. She keeps this mix in a spray bottle that's much smaller than the large gallon jug she used to buy. This makes it easier for her to spray in small amounts, and the bottle doesn't feel too heavy in her hands. 3. Use microfiber cloths for dusting. Microfiber cloths are excellent for dusting because they are lightweight, durable, and effective at trapping dust without spreading it around. Unlike regular dusters, microfiber cloths can pick up dust and dirt more efficiently, allowing for a quicker and easier cleaning experience. Helen, in her late 70s, loves using microfiber cloths for dusting her home. She finds them so much easier to handle than traditional feather dusters. Helen uses a microfiber cloth to quickly wipe down her shelves, TV stand, and side table. For hard-to-reach places, she simply attaches a microfiber cloth to the end of her mop handle. This saves her from getting on a ladder and helps her clean high places like top shelves without any risk. She says it's one of her favourite tools because it reduces the need for pressure, and the cloth grabs dust without scattering it around. 4. Use baking soda for a natural clean. Baking soda is an affordable and powerful cleaning agent that works wonders on a variety of surfaces. It's especially great for removing odours, scrubbing surfaces, and tackling tough stains. Best of all, it's gentle enough for sensitive hands and doesn't require harsh chemicals that could irritate the skin. For instance, Bill, an 82-year-old gentleman, swears by baking soda when it comes to cleaning his kitchen. Bill uses it to scrub his countertops and stovetop. He sprinkles a small amount of baking soda, lets it sit for a couple of minutes, and then wipes it off with a damp cloth. Bill says this method is not only effective, but also cost-efficient. He's been using baking soda for years, and it works wonders to remove tough grease and stains. In the bathroom, he makes a paste of baking soda and water to clean grout, and it leaves everything sparkling. 5. Simplify the laundry process with sorting bins. Sorting laundry ahead of time can save a lot of time and effort when it's time to do the washing. Use separate bins for different types of laundry, one for whites, one for colours, and another for delicate items. This way, when it's time to do laundry, everything is already divided and you don't have to do extra sorting. Grace, a 75-year-old grandmother, keeps 3 separate laundry bins in her laundry room for whites, colours and delicates. She finds that sorting laundry as she goes makes it so much easier when she finally gets to wash it. Grace doesn't have to bend over and deal with a large pile of mixed clothes. She simply picks out what she needs from the bins, making the laundry process much smoother. Grace says it also helps her feel more organised and avoids the stress of last-minute sorting. Mr. Frank, who has limited mobility, uses a small rolling cart to transport his laundry from the bedroom to the laundry room. He can easily load up the cart with his clothes, and the wheels make it simple for him to roll it without straining himself. 6. Use a folding cart for laundry. A folding laundry cart with wheels is a game changer when it comes to making laundry day easier. Instead of carrying a heavy basket full of clothes, use a cart that you can simply roll from room to room. The wheels make it much easier to transport laundry, and the lightweight frame means you don't have to exert yourself to carry a heavy load. Josephine, a 78-year-old senior, uses a folding laundry cart to make laundry day easier. The cart helps her roll her laundry to the laundry room without straining her back. She says the cart is perfect because it's lightweight, and she doesn't have to carry heavy baskets anymore. Josephine even uses it to sort her laundry before washing, which helps her stay organised and reduces the effort it takes to get everything done. Her cart has been a lifesaver for her, especially on days when she doesn't feel strong. 7. Use a light coat of dusting spray for quick cleaning. Dusting can feel like an endless task, especially if you have many surfaces to clean. To make the process quicker, try using a dusting spray that adds a light coat of dust-repellent oil to your furniture. This helps keep dust from settling so quickly and reduces the need for frequent cleaning. Nancy, a 70-year-old woman with arthritis, uses a dusting spray every week. She sprays a light coat on her coffee tables, shelves, and even her TV stand. The spray helps keep the dust from collecting so quickly, which means she doesn't have to dust as often. Nancy says the dusting spray helps her do the job faster and she can wipe down surfaces with less effort, which is crucial for her comfort. Mr. Arthur likes to use dusting spray on his blinds. He sprays a light coat on them and uses a microfiber cloth to wipe both sides of each slat. It's a quick, easy way to remove dust from his blinds without much effort. 8. Break cleaning into smaller chunks. Instead of setting aside a whole day or several hours to clean, try breaking the cleaning process into smaller, more manageable tasks. This helps avoid the feeling of being overwhelmed and allows you to do a little bit of cleaning each day, which adds up over time. For example, Arthur, 79, says he found it overwhelming to clean his entire house in one go. Instead, he decided to break his cleaning tasks into smaller chunks. He dedicates 10 minutes in the morning to do light tidying up, such as wiping down counters and making his bed. He saves more intense tasks like vacuuming or scrubbing the bathroom for another day. Arthur finds that this approach not only makes cleaning more manageable, but also keeps him from feeling exhausted or frustrated by the process. Mr. Lawrence has a weekly routine where he spends 20 minutes a day on one cleaning task. On Mondays, he vacuums the living room. On Tuesdays, he does the kitchen counters. Wednesdays are for the bathroom, and Thursdays are for dusting. He finds that spreading it out makes the process manageable. 9. Use easy-to-access trash bins. Make your trash bins easier to access by using smaller, lightweight containers around the house. Keep a trash bin in the kitchen, bathroom and living room to avoid having to walk to one large, heavy bin each time you need to dispose of something. Smaller bins are lighter, easier to change out, and more convenient for quick disposal. Rose uses multiple small trash bins around her home. She keeps one in the kitchen, one in her bathroom, and another in her living room. This makes it easier to dispose of trash without needing to carry it to one large, heavy bin in the garage or basement. Rose loves that her smaller bins are lighter and easier to change out when full, and she doesn't have to strain herself by carrying heavy loads of trash. It's a small change that makes a huge difference in her daily routine. Mr. George, who has limited mobility, uses a trash bin with a foot pedal in his kitchen. Instead of having to bend over, he can simply step on the pedal to open the lid, making it more convenient for him to throw things away. 10. Keep a consistent cleaning routine. A consistent cleaning routine can help make cleaning less overwhelming. Instead of trying to do everything in one go, break it down into small tasks that you do on a daily or weekly basis. This approach will keep your home clean without the burden of tackling a major cleanup all at once. Take Charles, a 73-year-old, for example. He devised a straightforward cleaning routine. Each morning, he dedicates just 10 minutes to tidying his living room and kitchen. On Tuesdays, he vacuums, and on Fridays, he cleans his windows. With this schedule, Charles doesn't have to dedicate long hours to cleaning. His home remains orderly and clean, and he avoids the stress of feeling like he has to do everything in one day. So, how did these cleaning hacks resonate with you? Are you prepared to simplify your cleaning routine? Remember, these minor adjustments can create significant improvements, and there's no need to tackle everything simultaneously. Approach it one step at a time, and crucially, be gentle with yourself. Life is too fleeting to fret over every minor detail. If you found these tips valuable, please give us a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to Timeless Wisdom. This way, you won't miss out on more practical advice that can ease and enhance your daily life. And always remember, you're doing wonderfully. Maintain that joyful spirit, and as per the timeless wisdom of our channel, always find a reason to smile each day.